Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer all data from your old smartphone to your Xiaomi 17. To do that, on our Xiaomi, we're gonna have to open the Mi Mover application, which we can find in System Applications folder. If we scroll a little bit down here, we'll be able to find Mi Mover. Then select New to indicate this smartphone as a new one. Then select the old device model. So if it's a Xiaomi smartphone, select Xiaomi. If it's any other Android device, select Android. Or if it's an iPhone, tap right here. So in my case, it's Google Pixel. Therefore, I'm just gonna select Android, and then we're gonna have to scan the QR code on our Xiaomi screen to install the Mi Mover application on our smartphone. It will open the Google Play page with this application. So let's install it. Let's wait until this application is installed. And once the app is installed, we can tap Installed on our Xiaomi and then open the application on our other device. Then select Old here, select while using the app, then give the application all the permissions. Allow it to use floating windows if it asks you to, and in order to allow it this feature, we're gonna have to find this application on the list and switch the toggle for it, and then return back to the application. Okay, so let's give it all the additional permissions in the very same way. So as you can see, we have to give it a very long list of permissions. Okay, and so right now we're gonna have to either enable Bluetooth on both smartphones and let the old device find your Xiaomi, or you can use manual connection by selecting connect to the new device manually on both the old device and Xiaomi. Tap connect when you find your smartphone, and then select the files that you want to transfer from your old device to the new one. Then tap next. Then hit the check circles and tap send, and then wait until the data is sent from your old device to your Xiaomi. And that's it. The data is transferred successfully. So now we can tap down on both devices, and then we can put our old device aside as the operation is finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.